Hello, this video is related to Charles, Alex, and Marius. If you want to get a plane ticket, I will work for whichever company you choose. I have worked in the past for an airplane company and they pay me in roses and rent in New York in Fifth Avenue for my girlfriend. I think it's time for me. I have a place now and I need money basically for having a life, and I will say what I have to do for the interview. Passengers proceed on gate number 345. Let's call to Mariana with the huge sack. And then I will have to say something like, sorry, the plane is delayed. We have some issues with the light bulbs and crampiness. And I will say my phone number, which is 6200 40750, and it's 34 for the Spain, and you can call me and I can start working. So future is set. I will work at Apple if I have applied for, or at a plane company which I already work for. So, bye my loves. Decide to make yours alive. Class is over, so what about having a relationship with someone who is a pilot or whatever is the job? I don't know which is the job because I worked so hard for a good time of my life, and now I think that it can be Norwegian, it can be British Airways, whatever company you choose. But please call to the Twitter of Jara Anderson for choosing the same company because I don't want to have two jobs. And I can become the voice of the company. And we can live in our flat. And we can buy a room or whatever we want to do. So bye.